Hello, and welcome to the Edit User Profile tutorial. From the main backend dashboard, access the user page by highlighting the users on the left column and clicking either All Users or Your Profile. From the users page, admins have access to all and any user profiles and changes made to them. The individual users will only have access to their very specific profile. Clicking the profile you wish to change now. As an admin, you have access to change anything on the user's profile. Each individual user, some of these things will need to be requested through the admin to be changed. Others can be changed at their own leisure. Starting at the top are personal options. The visual editor will clicking the checkbox will enable or disable the visual editor when writing. The admin color scheme will change the color of the left-hand column for the backend only. Keyboard shortcuts is a checkbox that, when enabled, will allow for keyboard shortcuts and the comment moderation. And the toolbar checkbox will either show or have invisible the top toolbar featuring the intranet or the add new users, or in the case of the front end, the edit page when on the front end. Note, if this is unchecked, you will not see the top, and in order to access the back end, will have to specifically add in wp-admin to the address bar. Into the rest of the profile, we have username, which cannot be changed, that was assigned to the user when the account was first made. Their role, which can only be changed by an admin, but can be requested to be changed by the user themselves. The first name, last name, and nickname of those three, only the nickname is required, but can be changed by either the user or the admin. Display name publicly as is the way for the intranet or website to display the name. It can be the username, a combination of the first or last names. Contact information, only the email is required. It can be changed by the user at any time, but must be a viable email, or else if they forget their password, they will no longer have access to their account. Website, AIM, Yahoo IM, and Google Talk are all optional, but unneeded. The biographical info is also optional, but completely unneeded, and is shown publicly, and can be shown publicly. Below that is the new password. Your password can be whatever you want it to be, though it is recommended you make it strong. The strength indicator will show you whether or not the passwords are strong and whether or not they match up. The scoped role tells you your two roles, both on the intranet and on the forums, and it shows you the privileges that you have. As a subscriber and a base level participant, you can only read links, post, page, forms, topics, and replies. Below that is the user role editor, which is something only the admin will have access to, and the forums. Forum role is just like the website role. The forum roles are as follows. Blocked, meaning the user will not have access to any of the forums. Spectator, meaning the user merely has the ability to read forums that are made. Participant, meaning they can read the pages, topics, and replies. Moderator, meaning they have access to not only make pages replies, but control whether or not some of them, the participants, can actually post anything. And Keymaster, which is the equivalent of admin on the forums, and has access to everything and anything. After making all of your changes to the user profile, whether you are the admin or the user itself, all you have to do then is click the Update User at the bottom, and all changes made to the profile will be saved and updated.